So hey guys, in this video we will discuss some middleware because currently I am working on one full stack project, so there is a lot more concept of this middleware. So I thought why not I share with you. I hope it will help. So what is middleware actually? So middleware, it is something which is coming in between. Let's just say as soon as you made a request you get a response, but there is some process happen in between. So the whole process is known as middleware. See, this client, as soon as you get a made a request you get a response, but there is some kind of a stuff happen. So this whole process is known as middleware. So while defining this middleware, it's mandatory to pass this next. So what actually does this next here? So next is it is a inbuilt thing in a node environment which we create using Express. So it is mandatory to pass with this middleware, and you can pass as many as middleware kind of stuff here, and you must pass this next, otherwise you will get much more error if you not pass this next. The moment you call this next, so this next says, hey, I have done all things, I'm ready for the next. So that all the process is known as middleware. So for more understanding, let's take one example. Let's just say you want to visit some / dashboard after a login. So and you are supposed to be there, but do you really think each and every user should be on your dashboard? No. You might check first user is authenticated or not, whether the user is login or not. Then you will give access this middleware. This dashboard kind of stuff. So that's all the process is come from this middleware. Let's deep down in a code part, because sometimes it's too difficult to understand. Let's close this and come back to this new slide. So this is also a middleware image as we discussed earlier. Let's come to the code part. Let's fix this my recording screen. It will create a mess here. So this is might be you are familiar with this kind of stuff. So this is Express, and we are listening this 500 port, and we are in a home page. For more clarification, let's open this terminal and start node 1, which I have used in my package.json. See, we are in a home page. Let's fix this and come back to our slide. So let's write some code. For more clarification, let's use this app and create an admin panel first. Use this get request, use this admin, and we have to fire up this callback here. We are gonna write this request response, use this arrow function which is mandatory, and let's write some message. res.send you are admin, welcome. Let's Control S and see what will the output. Oh, we not get out. Oh, I miss. Sometimes I get into a panic mode, so don't be put. Let's write this admin and see you are admin, welcome. I get the message here. So this whole thing from here to here, it's actually a method. So let's cut this and put it into a variable. Const admin, let's paste it here and call this variable here admin. So since we are discuss about the middleware, since we are writing this code, so where is the middleware actually? Might be you are thinking. So let's explore. Remember, as I told you, as soon as you made a request you get a response, but there is some kind of a stuff happen of user is authenticated or not, user is login or not. So let's add this kind of stuff. Let's check this admin. Let's check this admin, is it authenticated or not. So let's use this same kind of a stuff. Let's check this is admin. Put this, we are gonna write this request response, use this arrow function, and let's give some messages dot send. No, let's print this for your more understanding. Console dot log and say you are eligible to access this route. Welcome. So I will remember as I told you in the theory. Where is the theory? See, this next is a mandatory to pass. Otherwise, it will throw a lot more error to me. I will show you. Don't be bothered. So let's pass this next here. Let's control and go to the our and let's replace. See, I get a reference error. Next is not defined. So this next is mandatory and it's a must while calling this, because it is in a node environment which we create by using this express. So it's mandatory. We forget to pass the next is here, that's why it's show me an error. So let's control S and go another to our part and see you are admin, welcome. And one more thing I will show you. See, you are eligible to access this route, welcome. So this whole process is known as middleware. Let me repeat one more time. Middleware, it is something which is coming in between. See, you are visiting this admin route and you get the response, but there is some kind of stuff happen with the hello in the form of this admin. So this is known as middleware. So that's all, guys. Thanks. Hope the concept is clear in this video.